Our biome is the intertidal zone by Jocelyn, Haley, Veronica, and Jerry. Did you know that some algae can be grown in boiling hot water? Including on the bottom right, green algae. Other plant specimens commonly found are rockweed, coralline algae, sea palm, acorn barnacles, and sulfur sponge. Here are some of the favorite animals that we all go to see at the beach. On the left is the giant green anemone, then the bat star, then the turban snail, then the light-footed crab. Although I only listed a few animals, this system is very complex. The low zone in this biome contains the animals in the previous slides. The other creatures, on the other hand, will be found in the mid and high zone. Do you ever go down to the beach and think, oh my god, can it get any hotter? But then there's other days at night when it can go all the way down to freezing. This all depends on the exposure to sun. Also, if the tide is high, it brings in more cool water from the ocean.
The intertidal zone is very distinguishable. It is right where the ocean meets land.
And the water movement varies from gentle to violent. If you look at the top right, you will see that there are cliffs in this biome. It is also sometimes dangerously rocky.
Evidence of a food chain. Sea anemone is at the top of the food chain and zooplankton is at the bottom.
Crabs and mussels mainly eat zooplankton, but everything in the food chain gets drawn back to it. Seagulls are one of the most dominant predators in this biome. Animals that live in the intertidal zone have a wide variety of predators. When the tide is in, they are preyed upon by sea animals. When the tide is out, they are preyed upon by land animals, like foxes and people. Other endangered species are hermit crabs, mussels, and limmets. One of the things you will need to survive in this biome is water shoes. They help you grip onto the rocks after high tide occurs. You may also need an umbrella in case the high tide splashes water at you. You will also need a wetsuit since the water can be freezing at times. And water is an essential no matter where you go. A jacket is helpful for the cold weather as well. A magnifying glass helps you see the tiny organisms. A fishing pole obviously helps you catch fish for you to eat. Band-aids are useful in case you catch yourself on the rock or if a crab bites you. Depending on how long you're staying, this is basically all you'll ever need. We learned that our biome is very complex, and throwing off the balance of this ecosystem throws everything off. Thank you for watching.